alam ba na merong napakalaking announcement na ginawa ang YouTube nito lang September 20? At ito ay ang tungkol sa mga bagong paraan kung paano pwedeng kumita dito sa YouTube. Yes! You heard it right! Ito ay napakalaking good news para sa ating mga content creator, kahit sa mga small channel pa lang katulad ko. Especially sa mga gumagawa ng YouTube Shorts content. Sana matuwa ka sa good news na to dahil ito yung pag-uusapan natin sa video to. So please keep on watching and samahan nyo kong talakayin to. So, umpisahan na natin. Yung first announcement na ginawa ng YouTube, updates to the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube Partner Program meaning yung eligibility para ma-monetize yung ating YouTube channel. So, meron silang mga pag-update. So, more creators can make money from their content. So, ito nga po yung sabi ng YouTube. This article highlights changes to the YouTube Partner Program that will begin taking effect from early 2023. So, next year po yan mag-take effect. Sabi nga dito, we've been hard at work evolving and expanding the YouTube Partner Program or YPP. Starting in early 2023, updates to YPP will open up access to partnership for more creators and give them more ways to make money with shorts, including revenue sharing on ads. So, starting next year, creators will be able to join YPP by either getting 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months or getting 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public short views in the last 90 days. Meron tayong dalawang option kung paano natin mamonetize ang ating mga YouTube channel. So next is new opportunities to make money on shorts, including revenue sharing on ads. So, napaka-good news nito para sa mga content creator na gumagawa ng short video. So, alamin natin yung details niyan. All new and existing creators in YPP will become eligible for revenue sharing on ads that are viewed between videos in the shorts feed. Okay, magkakaroon na po ng mga ads between videos and the shorts feeds. At least, meron na tayong idea na magkakaroon na ng ad revenue sa shorts. Okay? So, good news po yan sa ating mga shorts creator. So, yung third is new ways for creators to monetize content that uses popular music. So, tingnan natin yung details about dito. So, ang sabi nga dito, we're introducing Creator Music, a new destination in YouTube Studio that gives YouTube creators easy access to an ever-growing catalog of music for use in their long-form videos. So, creators can now buy affordable, high-quality music licenses that offer them full monetizing potential. So, ito po ay kahit nagamitin natin yung mga high-quality music na to, is mamo-monetize pa rin yung channel natin. They will keep the same revenue share they usually make on videos without any music. So, magkakaroon nga ng creator music sa YouTube Studio. So, yun. Ito po yung ibang announcement ng YouTube. Yung YPP Fund Funding. Sabi nga dito, access exclusive benefits, receive support, and earn money with super chat, super stickers, super thanks, and channel memberships. So, for more details, abangan natin yan sa 2023. So, ano masasabi mo sa mga announcement na to na ginawa ng YouTube? Ano kaya maging epekto nito sa YouTube channel mo? Or para sa'yo, ano nga bang mas madaling makuha? 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views. Comment mo yan sa baba. Yun, maraming salamat nga sa panonood sa aking YouTube video at sinamahan mo ko. Appreciate ko kung hanggang ngayon is nanonood ka pa rin sa akin. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video to, kindly like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel for more YouTube tips, tutorial, and updates. Maraming salamat and see you again sa aking next upload. Bye!